washy. I'm so sick of hearing that.
People should have common sense.
Okay, anyways. It's Mexico Day. We're in Cozumel again. It seems like we were just here like 5 days ago. But anyways, we're going to Del Mar Latino Beach Club again. There's Amanda back there. I think we're gonna get off the ship in a little bit. The beach club opens at 9. It's like 8:15, so no sense getting off right now. But this dude, man, to go to the buffet to wash your hands, it's the Windjammer. They only let you in there one way. It's like a prison. If you don't wash your hands, no matter if you just put lotion on, hand sanitizer, whatever. If you don't wash your hands, you ain't getting in there. They'll chase you with a stick trying to make you wash your hands. It's like, it's been 3 years, people. You don't know how to wash your hands yet? I don't know. It's aggravating. I mean, yes, they want you to wash your hands, but here's the irony. Wash your hands, but as soon as you wash your hands, grab your phone and, touch it all over yourself, and then you go get your utensils. I mean, let's just be real. Soapbox over. Let's go to Cozumel and get some tequila. Oh, snap. We're off the ship. Look at this mess. Cozumel, here we come. Look out! Bum rushed. She's crazy. Right now, we're only in port with Brilliance of the Seas and our ship, the Mariner. We're going over there. So. This guy had too much. He's even in the wrong place. This is the place we're going to. The Del Mar Latino Beach Club. Bam! Let's get in there. Let's go on a little tour of this place. So, when you walk down here, the bathrooms are over here. Men's bathroom is right there. Hand washing over there. And the women's is on the other side. Then you have the bar, and then you have all this wonderful seating and everything. You have a pool. It's an infinity pool. Half of it is shaded and half of it is not. That pool is very cold. And then over here you have a wonderful lagoon. This is where you go snorkeling, which is kind of rough right now because all of the traffic and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's over there is a different place. I think that's the dive shack or something. But keep walking. Here's the beach, sand, with the pool again. We're gonna sit right there. This will be our spot. So the price for this is $39 per person. Right now, as of December 3rd, 2022. Includes drinks, food, all that good stuff. You got a good view of the cruise ships right there. And all that. There you go. Del Mar Latino Beach Club. Fun day in Cozumel. Look out there. Look out there. There's a carnival ship finally coming. We don't know what ship that is. We think maybe the Breeze. We think. Not very sure. But either way. There's some pretty crazy waves crashing in over there. It's got to calm down a little bit before we go saltwater. But yeah, there's a carnival ship joining us, joining in the fun today. Getting a little closer out there. Watch this mess. It's the waves crashing, coming, the ships coming in. Yeah, that's insane. If it stays like that, there will not be any snorkeling. Well, hello. I still don't know Spanish yet, but look at these. Chicken wings. The water's calming down, so I think we're about to go snorkeling shortly. Maybe. If the waves don't crash us into the wall. Let's see how it goes. Well, that was a good day. We came, we saw, we conquered. We've been in the pool. We saw some fish, as you can see. The ocean has been a little rough today, but we went swimming anyways. As you can see, this is a kamikaze. if you're ever looking for something fun to do close to port, check out Del Mar Latino Beach Club. It's $40, all inclusive, drinks, food. If you park at International Pier, it's a short walk. If you do at the other pier, you could probably walk it, but it's a little bit further, so just keep that in mind. I think it's about time for us to get back on the ship, though. Check out the food and the drinks. Del Mar Latino Beach Club. It's a great time. $40, all inclusive, right here. You can't beat it. So we're just walking back. Look at the difference. Brilliance of the seas, mariner of the seas. And the difference. They got some pretty plain booties. I'm gonna rate both of them like a 5. That's a 5 booty. Bye-bye Cozumel. There's the brilliance of the seas. And there's the carnival breeze. We are leaving them in the port. We're leaving them with all the tequila and senoritas. Adios, Cozumel. We'll see you again shortly. Fun day. Went to Del Mar Latino Beach Club. We went snorkeling and we had lots of food and lots of cocktails. So yeah, it was a good day. Now we're watching Celebrate. We're gonna go to dinner in about 10 minutes, and then who knows what the night is about? Do you know what the night entitles?
Fun.
Fun. That's what she said. Fun. All right. Okay. Dinner was good tonight. We had some shrimps, and Amanda had some chicken cordon bleu. That was delicious.
It was good.
And then we came back into the room, and look at this. We got a bat. That's pretty cool. Them are some cool shades right there. Hey, that's pretty neat right there. I've never seen that one
Look at
before.
this angle. Looks like he's flying.
Yeah, that's a flying bat. That's pretty cool. So, I think tonight, we're gonna go watch a magic show. Yeah, 8 o'clock. And then, that's probably it. That's all we're gonna do tonight. We're just been a tired day. It's been Mexico. We've been tired, so. Magic show. Let's go do this. And then, probably gonna go to sleep. Get ready for the sea day tomorrow. Adios.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hear you when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, we playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line, didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No know I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it.